Good morning, and welcome back to CHUMLEY 105. Today, me and my friend Will are going riding. You guys remember Will from the CR video. Yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen today. But, yeah, we're going to go ride today. I think we're just going to kind of keep it simple. I haven't seriously rode in a bit, so hopefully we can get out and enjoy it today. So we will see you guys at the place. All right, guys, we made it to the location here. And I'm just checking out Will's. What is it, a TTR 225 or 230? It's a 250. Man, that's cool. It's in good condition too. And I'm digging the headlight. Reminds me of the KDX a lot. But I guess we're gonna get ready and hit the trails. Wanted to switch bikes. I'll follow you.
Where we going to?
You want to head out towards the power lines, or?
Yeah, we can. I like it a lot.
I don't know. I'd trail ride this thing. I give it a 3.5 star out of 5. I'd ride it.
It does good.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
It's not that bad. I mean, I'm just comparing it to like a 230, so.
Oh yeah.
It feels pretty comfortable to me.
230 took that bike's place.
Yeah, I like it. This is definitely a good step up from it.
It's easy to ride.
It handles better than my KDX. I don't know if it's the tires or.
I need to look what kind of tire. You know what I mean?
Because
Sedona.
When I go around muddy curves, I want to slide all the time. This thing didn't want to do that. I think that might have to do with the tire though.
Yeah, and it's a heavier bike than the KDX.
That is true.
It has a 120, 90, 18, and I think factory's 190, 18.
I mean, it feels comfortable.
Which I like a wider tire.
Right. You good? Oh God. You good?
Good. I didn't even hit the ground.
I seen your arm flail back, so
I'm good.
I think I found a plug.
Not running good?
Yeah, I think I dropped the cylinder. It's kind of, yeah, it's running like crap. I don't know if it's just a foul spark plug or I dropped the cylinder, or it acts like it's just running on one cylinder. Because it's running like absolute crap right now.
I'm good. I didn't even hit the ground. I landed on my feet.
But it might be where it's hitting that cold water too. I can't tell, but it's running like absolute crap. That's not good. This is about to be really fun. I probably should have went. Not again. I got a feeling I'm about to be there too. Here we go.
Slick mud, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, back there going down that hill, it's out from under me before it blinked my eyes.
Goodness.
You could have saved me though. Landed on my feet.
Yeah, but.
I slid from here to that tree on my feet trying to keep from falling.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it's. I don't know how I'm gonna get in the truck. I didn't expect to get this muddy, but oh well. I got something to sit on probably. If not, I'll just take this jacket off and turn it inside out.
Has you got no long johns on? God, how do you stand that?
Just do it, man. I've done it for years. Looky here, folks. This is probably the most you've ever seen a Banshee. Just right here. She ain't no garage queen. Well, you ready to hit it?
Yeah, you are.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today. I know the video was short, but we had fun. It was awful muddy. And you got anything to add, Will? Or?
Good time. Good time.
Yeah, alright. So yeah, like the video, you know, if you enjoyed it, and I guess we'll see you next time. So